Calgary really affordable as everyone says it is? With all the buzz about rising prices across Canada, Calgary is still being labeled as affordable. Is that still true in 2025? Well, in this video, we are going to explore, is Calgary really still affordable? And is it a smart move to make when you're thinking about relocating across the country? From housing and taxes to groceries and gas, today we're going to explore to see if Calgary still is within your budget. Look, if this is your first time to the channel, we help people just like you buy, sell, and relocate to Calgary every single day. Hey, my name is Charmaine, and I'm with the Living in YYC Real Estate Group. Whether you're looking to make a move in 9 days or 90, make sure you subscribe to our channel and tap the bell for notifications so you too can be the first to get all of the latest market information about all things real estate in Calgary. And please, if you have any questions, make sure you reach out. All of our contact information is in the text box below. Now let's jump in to the really important topic of, is Calgary an affordable city?
Let's start with the big one, housing. The average home price in Calgary right now sits at just over $550,000 for a detached home and around $320,000 for a condo. That's still significantly less than cities like Toronto or Vancouver, where a detached home easily crosses the $1.5 million mark.
But in today's market, prices are still climbing up, and we're seeing that in the single family homes, condos, and the townhome market. They are starting to come down, but there's no indication for anything else. We don't have a crystal ball. So honestly, the best time to buy was really yesterday. Second best, buy today. Beyond housing, Calgary still comes out ahead when it comes to daily expenses. With Alberta not having the provincial sales tax, and in theory, gas is relatively cheaper here than other provinces. If you talk about food and utilities, well, it's about average to what the other provinces are. Inflation hasn't spared us in Alberta either. You know, for example, a family of four can expect to spend anywhere from $1,200 to $1,500 a month on groceries and $300 to $500 a month on utilities. And that really depends on the type of winter and the type of summer we have, on how much you're using your electricity and how much gas you're having to use to heat your home. What about incomes? On average, Calgary has a higher household medium income over the rest of the country, and that's thanks to our history in oil and gas, tech, and the professional sector. In 2025, we are seeing steady job growth in construction, healthcare, and tech, which is helping balance out the rising cost of living in the city. And here's the real kicker. Calgary offers an amazing quality of life. We have world-class parks like Fish Creek, Nose Hill Park, close proximities to the Rocky Mountains. That is our playground in our backyards. We have a thriving food scene and endless year-round recreation. It is a city where you can still raise a family, own a home, enjoy the outdoors, enjoy the city and the recreation without having to have a seven-figure income salary. So is Calgary still affordable? Well, when we look at other cities like Vancouver and Toronto, absolutely it is. But affordability is changing fast. So if you're thinking about relocating or jumping into the market, now is the best time to do it. So if you're thinking about making a move in the next 9 days or 90, or you have questions about what it's like to live in Calgary or which area of the city you're going to get the most bang for your buck, make sure you reach out. Me and my team, we are here and we would love to hear from you. All of our contact information is in the text box below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have anybody in your orbit who is thinking about relocating to Calgary or making a move, make sure you share this video with them. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you again for watching and supporting our channel. Until next time, I will see you around town.